Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force restarting your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your Apple Watch is frozen or not responding and you aren't able to turn it off normally, you can perform a force restart. To do it, hold down the digital crown and the side button at the same time for several seconds, until you see the Apple logo, and then let go. Your watch will then restart, and whatever issue you were facing should be resolved now. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.